Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The Social Democratic Party SDP candidate for Isoko Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, Honorable Fineboy Ebegbare, says he is confident of victory in next year's election as the Isoko nation has now fully understood the injustice and deceit that leaders of the PDP in Isoko nation have perpetrated over the years. He says no amount of trickery and financial inducement will make the Isoko people to retain the House of Representatives seat in Isoko North local government area after 20 years of occupation.
Formerly a member of PDP, Honorable Fineboy Ebegbare says the leadership of the PDP in Isoko Nation tricked its members with the sole aim of holding onto the House of Representatives seat in Isoko North local government area. He says Isoko Nation is one and the House of Representatives seat ought to be shared between Isoko North and Isoko South. He noted that his declaration to leave the PDP was principally to fight against the ill-conceived and dubious intention by some political jobbers in Isoko to maintain the House of Representatives seat in Isoko North local government area.
The office of the House of Reps has been in Isoko North for 20 years running, and Constituency demands that it should come to the southern part because Isoko is one. At that level we agreed. But during the primaries, that side of the agreement was breached. There were superimposition of the adult delegates to allow them achieve their aim, which didn't go down well with the electorate and the people of the southern part of Isoko, and they were deceitful in that their action.
Speaking in the same vein, Mr. Billy Ogodo and Chief Apa Itesa say anything short of equity in Isoko Nation will not be accepted. They vowed to vote for SDP's Honorable Fineboy Ebegbare from Isoko South local government area.
In any situation where you are a greedy politician, a self-aggressive politician, we don't want to play that game anymore. That time has passed and gone. We are voting for SDP.
I am from Isoko North. Ebegbare is a man. If we should send him to a House of Rep, he's going to do more.
Convener of Grace Mission in Isoko Nation and billionaire businessman Dr. Daniel Omoibu says though he is a member of the PDP, he doesn't subscribe to the 5/5 mantra being chanted by PDP members in Delta State.
It is candidates we are supporting. The horse when one carry governor, that horse is sick, he not good. Now umbrella. The umbrella when they cover House of Rep, that umbrella don't tear. And as I talk to you now, rain they beat people for that umbrella. That's why we take horse when they chaka, when go feel run, when go feel waka. That's why we carry horse.
Honorable Fineboy Ebegbare is already winning many converts in Isoko Nation who are ready to vote for him in February next year.
Ebegbare, now we go vote for, because we know say that man go do something for us.
The people we trusted, we voted for in those days, they disappointed us. So now we are voting individually. We are no longer voting party. In Ebegbare, I believe he's going to win.
Since 1999, the House of Representatives for Isoko Federal Constituency has been held by Isoko South for 4 years, while Isoko North completes its 20th year in 2023. The agitation for equitable representation between both local government areas is most likely going to be a deciding factor for the House of Representatives seat in the February 2023 House of Representatives election.
Inside the Niger Delta,